Does budgeting feel so hard and feel like a cage when you try to do it? So in this video, I'm going to be telling you about the most simple principle you can follow to start your budgeting journey, and it will not feel so constrained or caging for you. And that is the 50-30 principle. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Wendy here. If you are new in this channel, I post tips on faith, finances, personal growth, and relationship. And if that's something that you're interested in, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel so that you can know when I post more videos. In this video, we're going to be talking about the simplest principle that you can use. That is the 50-30-20 principle. I mean, the other principle is like the 50-20-20-10 principle. You can just change it up however it works for you. But this is the most basic principle anyone can follow. 50 is for your needs. That's your rent, your groceries, your data, your transportation. The most important things that you need to survive every month. That is where 50% of your salary or your income should be going towards. Then 30% is to your wants, maybe like your subscription to Spotify, to Netflix, maybe going out, your enjoyment, any enjoyment that you want or you know that it's not a necessity, but it's something that you like to have. Then you can budget 30% of your salary towards that. And lastly, we have the 20%, which goes for savings and debt repayment. So if you have any debt, 20% of your salary or your income should go towards repaying that debt. So focus on repaying whether your student loan or any other loan that you got. Put that 20% into repaying it off before you start your saving. I mean, some people split it to be 10-10, so 10 towards their debt payment and 10 towards saving. You can do it that way, but ensure that you are paying off your loans. Then when you have paid off your loans, you can now build an emergency saving, an emergency fund. So just in case of anything, you can have something to fall back on. So make sure 20% of your salary or your income goes to your debt repayment and savings. If this 50-30-20 principle is too constrained and doesn't work for your income, you can switch it up. Just make sure that you are keeping track of every of your money and you know where it goes. And also some extra tips is like always track your expenses so that you know where all your money is going to. And when you track your expenses, you can cut off some things that are not necessary so that you can put the fund to more important things. And yeah, that's just all for this principle. It's a very simple principle to follow. And let me know in the comments if you're already following it or if you are using another budgeting principle. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.